Bohica, bend over, here it comes again, right? By now we're getting pretty good at seeing the projected plan. First they murdered off a bunch of chickens saying that we were all going to die of avian flu, and really all they did was drive up the prices of food. That's a pandemic that they wanted to happen. Didn't seem to pan out, so to speak. Well, enter into the picture this helpful little piece of information that in China, oh, there's a new bat coronavirus. Oh no, that could infect humans in the same way as COVID-19. Oh my, I know y'all are worried about it. What does worry me is the fact that during the original coronavirus pandemic, you weren't allowed to see your doctor. No one told you what to do if you got sick. They waited until you were almost dead and admitted you to a hospital, and then you really got sick with some of the medications given. Some of you went to a doctor, and I was one of these people who was willing to write for certain medications when you got COVID that were very effective at preventing you from getting a serious inflammatory response. But then pharmacists wouldn't fill the prescription. Huh? I like that. That's nice. Okay, so what are you going to do in that situation? As it turns out, there is a company called the Wellness Company, and they recently contacted me because I do videos about this topic from time to time to let you know that they actually have doctors on standby at their website and a pharmacy through which they will dispense certain prescription medicines. And they do this in an emergency kit. It's probably a good idea to have that kit now instead of waiting for this next salvo of the pandemic to come by. It's a series of medications that are helpful if you get a viral upper airway infection. It contains ivermectin, some antibiotics, and other medications that will be very helpful to you in an urgent situation where you don't have access to a doctor, or you have a pharmacist who won't write the prescription, or there are no medicines anymore to write because they've run out. If you follow the link in my bio to the Wellness Company, you'll see that emergency kit. And if you type in toker at the checkout, you'll get a 10% discount. If you can't find the link, and that does happen from time to time, we'll just type in the little chat down there, emergency kit, and then we will automate a system through the direct messaging to get you that link. And it's always a good idea to be prepared now, because believe me, they don't like what's going on right now. And it's time to brew up a pandemic. Do you know what I'm saying? So keep yourself safe and stay healthy.